as well, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fishtail bracelet with your fingers. Just letting you know, you might need double the amount of bands you would use for a single chain bracelet. So anyway, yeah, let's get started. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take your first band and wrap it around your two fingers, making like an 8 shape, like a cross in the middle. Then you'll take your next band and put that over the top of it, this time not crossing it up, just like this. And then you just pull those down a little bit. And then you're going to take a third band and put that over the top, just the same. And then get the bottom of the white band on the left side and pull that over the top of the two blue bands. And do the same with the other side. You just get it and pull it over, just like that, and let go, and then pull it down a bit. And then you're going to take another band, put that over the top, not crossing it, and take the bottom band again, put that over, and same with the other side, put that over, and pull it down. You can do the same thing, you get another band, you put it over, and you get the bottom bits, and you pull them over as well, and you can pull it down. And you're just going to do that same thing for until you think there's going to be enough bands on the bracelet. You think you might have enough bands on your bracelet, you can test it to see if the bracelet might fit you. So you can get the end band and put that on your fingers, and then just put your wrist through the loop to see if you think it would be alright. So I think that would be alright, it will fit. So I'm going to complete the bracelet now. And then, like you always do to make a normal bracelet, you just put your SP on both sides. And there is your final fishtail bracelet made with your fingers.